Hi, this is Chaitra Ashwatnarana and I'm part of FIU Project Spring 2019. Product owner for the project is Dr. Masood Sajati. So this video is basically created for the user guide of a developer user on the FIU website, as in how do I open a developer account and what are the features that is specific to the developer account on the FIU website. Let me just move on to the website. So right now I'm on the FIU login page. So now I would like to open an account as a developer. So this open an account is for the basic trader. In order to open a developer account, so you'll have to go to the different types of account types that's available on the website, and clicking on developer account, I just click on open developer account and I'm landed on the developer account page. Now I would like to give all the details. On are the basic details that is common for all the accounts. So these are the fields which are very much specific to the developer, where it you link to that any expert advisor. So I'm just giving one of the link, but this will link to the expert advisor report and also the link to the demo video. So this is the important features of a developer account. We can select like whatever algorithm he is interested in. Is he here to sell or to rent? So right now I just select one of the option and the lease type, and these would be the cell type, how it want to use it. And just give the email ID and name, password, and the security questions are common for all the types of the accounts, and I would like to give the security questions here. I've given all the details that is required to open the developer account, all the mandatory. I just click on submit, and now I have successfully registered as a developer, and I've landed on the homepage. So these are the personal details and the expert advisor details and the FR account information that is being displayed. So these are the three different tabs that's available here to see the details separately on the developer homepage. So the other details, the other functionalities that is added onto the developer is, if you just get into the developer, if you also have an option to edit the profile where you have all the details here and you tend to change anything, you would be able to successfully edit them. And also moving to the my account here, so you can see that here the my profile shows the all the profile details, then comes the my forex account. This shows the expert advisor details which has been shown up here, and the contract information. If the developer has any contracts, it will be shown up there. And this is one of the feature of a developer where he can link his forex account. So I would just like to click on my forex accounts. Right now I don't have any forex accounts linked, but I would like to add one. I would just go to add and just give the login ID, password, and the server URL for the Forex account that you would like to link. And this one, if you hover over it, it shows the password. And these passwords, what are added here, would be encrypted and decrypted same when you're linking a Forex account. So I would like to click on the forex account. I will just click on it. So you have the details that has been shown up here. The forex accounts, you can also edit them also and delete them. So I can even update it. When I go to update it, so we can see that the password is back. It means it's decrypted and it's switching the value here, and you have all the information. If you would like to change anything, we can just click on save changes and it's gonna save. So we have the details that's been successfully edited, this pop-up that comes up here, and this shows up all the details of the Forex accounts of a developer. So he can even have multiple accounts in that case. So I would like to add one more. uh, click on, and you can see that it gets added, and you can also unlink it. This unlink is an option where it would not delete it from the database, but it's going to unlink the forex account that you are not no more interested. So you can unlink it, because the same forex accounts can be used by the different multiple users. So unlinking would just remove it from your account, but it would be still available in the database. Now I just click on unlink. It gives a pop-up to check if I want to unlink it, and I click on OK, and it gets unlinked. So the details are moved out. So these are the features that is available on the developer. And we have the transaction information and the open secondary account. So if I want to open a secondary account, for now we just have one of the features that's implemented is clicking on standard account, and he can open this account as a basic trader if he also wants to be a basic trader. So he can just fill up this form and click on submit. So he would have the multiple accounts that's been opened. One would be as a developer, the primary one, and if he also wants to open as a developer, he can directly open it when he's on his particular personal account logged in. So these are the features that's available for the developer. Moving on to the Visual Studio, we can see the views that's been added into the views here. So let me get into the views section. um, so as a registered user, if you can see all the developer details that's been shown up here is all the views that actually basically shows on the website. So it has all the views that's been described here, all the developer, edit developer, developer home, developer contract. And for the forex accounts, it would be a link forex account. You can have it here, link account. So this would link the forex account, and the same goes for the edit linked accounts. We can see that we have the edit linked account option here. So this would be landing to the editing the account, the forex accounts that we have linked. And this was the view linked accounts, is basically to show all the list of forex accounts that's been added. So these are the different views that we could see on the developer. And in order to look into the controller actions under the register controller, we have the section that is just designed for the developers. So if you just expand this, we have all the developer actions that's been described here, all the forex accounts options, and all the edit option and opening the basic trader from the developer. So these are all the different functionalities that is available. So this would be under the developer section in the registered controller. And the same these actions would be called out in the business layer. So in the business layer, we have them under the user manager and the forex manager. So it would be like the details would be fetched here, and the same comes from the data access layer. It would be from the forex db, and those coming on to the web api, we have them coming up from the forex controllers. So these are all the details that is being added on from the Visual Studio. So for any other details, please contact our product owner, Dr. Masood Sajadi. Thank you.